In a dusty attic, Lily and Max found a strange device with dials and buttons. It was a time machine. Their adventure through history was about to begin.
Wow, Lily, look at those dinosaurs. We've traveled back to the prehistoric era.
This is incredible, Max. Let's learn about these amazing creatures.
That's a Brachiosaurus. Did you know it's one of the tallest and heaviest dinosaurs? And over there, that's a Triceratops. See its 3 horns? They use them to protect themselves. Look, it's a Stegosaurus. Check out those plates on its back. Scientists think they were used for temperature control. And there's the famous Tyrannosaurus Rex, known for its massive size and sharp teeth. The TRex was one of the most ferocious predators. It had an incredible sense of smell. This place is so different from our time. Look at these plants and the environment. It was a whole different world. Let's see where our time machine takes us next. There's so much more to explore and learn.